Disrespect, it stings. A snide comment. A cold shoulder. Someone underestimating your worth. We live in a world where ego battles ego, and offense is always just one word away. But the ancient Stoics, people like Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, and Epictetus, had a different approach. They didn't chase revenge. They didn't seek validation. They mastered themselves. Today, we'll explore 10 Stoic lessons to help you deal with disrespect, not by fighting fire with fire, but by walking with wisdom, dignity, and strength. Let's begin. 1. You control how you respond. Epictetus. Disrespect is external. Your reaction is internal. Epictetus once said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." Someone insults you. What happens next? You can rage, argue, sulk, or you can pause, breathe, observe. The disrespect doesn't define you. Your reaction does. Stoicism trains you to pause between stimulus and response. In that gap is power, the power to choose virtue over emotion. So next time disrespect knocks at your door, don't answer with anger. Answer with silence, calm, and strength. 2. They only hurt themselves. Marcus Aurelius. Marcus Aurelius reminds us, the best revenge is not to be like your enemy. People who disrespect others reveal their lack of discipline and inner conflict. Their behavior is a mirror of their pain, not your worth. Let them carry the burden of that behavior. Don't pick it up for them. A calm, unshaken response exposes the real difference between the two of you. They're consumed by ego. You're grounded in principle. That's real power. 3. Don't take it personally. Stoic detachment. Imagine someone calls you a fool. Now imagine, they said it in a language you don't understand. Would it still hurt? Disrespect only lands when you let it in. The Stoics practiced detachment, the ability to separate your self-worth from external events and opinions. They knew, what people say is just sound, unless you give it meaning. Ask yourself, is this about me? Or is this about their bad day, their wounded pride, their insecurity? Most of the time, it's not about you. It's never been. So don't make it yours. 4. Self-respect matters more than being respected. You might crave respect from others, but the Stoics believed the only true respect comes from within. How you carry yourself. How you act when no one's watching. How you uphold your values, especially under pressure. You can't always force people to respect you, but you can always act in ways you respect. Walk with honor. Live with discipline. Let others think what they will. In the long run, your integrity will outshine their words. 5. Practice the art of indifference. Epictetus. Indifference doesn't mean apathy. It means choosing not to waste energy on things outside your control. Epictetus taught that some things are up to us, our thoughts, our actions, and others aren't. Disrespect? Not up to you. Your inner peace? Completely in your hands. When someone disrespects you, try this. Smile internally. Say nothing. Move on. Let their words pass through you like wind through an open window. That's indifference, not weakness, but self-mastery. 6. Expect disrespect. Be unshaken. The Stoics practiced a powerful mental exercise. Premeditatio malorum, the premeditation of misfortune. They mentally prepared for insults, betrayal, unfair treatment. So when it happened, they weren't shocked, they were ready. In today's world, expecting disrespect isn't pessimism. It's preparation. You can't avoid every rude person, but you can avoid being rattled by them. Train for storms, and you won't drown when the skies turn dark. 7. Use it as training. Every moment of disrespect is a chance to train your soul. Someone mocks you? Train your patience. Someone interrupts you? Train your humility. Someone dismisses you? Train your composure. The Stoics saw every challenge as fuel, every insult, every slight, every confrontation. Instead of reacting emotionally, ask yourself, What virtue can I practice right now? With that mindset, even disrespect becomes your teacher. 8. Reputation is out of your control. People talk. They twist your words, misjudge your actions, spread rumors. Let them. You can't control how people perceive you, but you can control who you are. Seneca said, "Care about what others think and you will always be their prisoner." Focus on your character. Let your reputation take care of itself. When you know you're acting with integrity, you won't need public approval to feel peace. 9. Don't argue with fools. Seneca warned us about the trap of engaging with the irrational. He who seeks wisdom must avoid crowds. When someone disrespects you, they may be looking for a fight. Don't give them what they want. Arguing with fools only drags you down. Worse, it makes you look like one. Silence is often louder than words. Walk away. Let their ignorance echo without reply. 10. Let your actions be your response. You want the best revenge? It's not words. It's not a comeback. It's excellence. Let your focus grow. Let your peace deepen. Let your life speak for itself. The Stoics didn't need applause. They just lived well. So when you're disrespected, don't respond with ego, respond with achievement. Let your calm confuse them. Let your success remind them who you are without saying a word. Disrespect is everywhere, but so is your power to stay grounded. These 10 Stoic lessons aren't just advice, they're armor. Not to shield you from the world, but to help you walk through it with calm, clarity, and quiet strength. Remember, you don't rise by putting others down. You rise by lifting yourself above petty conflict. If this video gave you a moment of clarity, consider subscribing for more Stoic wisdom. And if you're still angry, hurt, or confused, re-watch this video. Sometimes, peace isn't found in the world. It's found within. Subscribe for more wisdom. Choose discipline over drama. Choose Stoicism.